Everyone wants to grow their money, but most people never start investing because it feels complicated. Here's the truth: investing doesn't have to be confusing. In fact, it's one of the simplest ways to build wealth when done right. In this video, we'll break down how to start investing, even if you know nothing about stocks or funds. By the end, you'll understand where to begin, what to avoid, and how to make your money work for you. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video, so more people can start their investing journey too. Saving alone won't make you rich. Inflation slowly eats away at your savings, but investing helps your money grow faster than inflation. When you invest, your money starts working for you, earning returns while you sleep. Every investment comes with risk, but not all risks are bad. The key is balancing how much risk you can handle with how much reward you expect. Start small, stay consistent, and avoid gambling your money on quick wins. Here are 3 of the most common beginner-friendly options. 1. Index funds or ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks that track the market. Low risk, steady growth. 2. Stocks, buying ownership in companies. Higher potential returns, higher risk. 3. Bonds. You lend money to governments or corporations and earn interest, safer but slower growth. Mixing these creates a balanced portfolio. If this video is helping you so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel and tells YouTube to share it with more people. Step 1. Set a goal. Know why you're investing: retirement, home, or financial freedom. Step 2. Build an emergency fund first. At least 3-6 months of expenses. Step 3. Choose a trusted investment platform, like Fidelity, Vanguard, or an app available in your region. Step 4. Start small and automate it. Even $20 a week adds up fast. Step 5. Be patient. Real investing is not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Don't panic when markets drop. It's normal. Don't chase hype or get-rich-quick trends. Start where you are. You don't need to be rich to invest, you need to be consistent. If you learned something new today, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to grow their money too. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday. The next best time is today. This is Money Talks. Subscribe, like, and share for more content on how to grow your wealth.